And also in this box we have got... This video is brought to you by bobkeys.com. You guys know the drill. You build your new PC, you think you're ready to rock and roll, and then you remember, oh no, Windows isn't activated, I need an activation key. Unless of course you can deal with this hideous watermark being burned into your retinas until the end of time. Now you could spend a ridiculous amount on one from Microsoft, or you could head over to bobkeys.com and pick one up for like, I don't know, a tenth of the price. Do you want to know the best part? You can use my code TT25 for, you guessed it, 25% off. Which means that this Windows 10 Pro key goes from $18 to $13. If you're in the UK like me, that's £11. You place your order, your activation code gets added to your orders page, you whack the code into the Windows activation screen, and boom, you're ready to rock and roll. Thank me later, TT25 for 25% off, link in description. Hello guys, Josh here, welcome back to the channel. I think we survived our trip outside the other day. If you're not aware of what I'm referring to, I actually went outside and recorded a video, which is, I think, a first on the channel. So if you've not already seen that, make sure you go watch it. I'll put a link in the top right of the screen. But yeah, we are back in the safe haven of RGB now, which is the office. Hey guys, check this out. Alexa, turn off the main setup. How cool is that? The PC even turns off as well. And then I can say, Alexa, turn on main setup. And it all switches back on, including the PC. Anyway, back to the topic of today's video. So today we're going to be unboxing and installing Nanoleaf mini triangles. I did a video last week comparing Nanoleaf kits, and some of you guys said I should pick up the new triangles, so I did. And what we can do is we can add them to our hexagons, because if you didn't know, the new shapes range from Nanoleaf are compatible, you can mix and match them. So yeah, we have 10 mini triangles here, they were about £90 here in the UK. So I think there's actually a couple of things in this box. I ordered one or two extra things on Amazon, which I'll show you guys just briefly. Alright, okay, so we have obviously got the Nanoleaf mini triangles, which is here. Like I said, it is an expansion pack, so we get 10 triangles, which we're gonna add to the hexagons. And also in this box, we have got... I just dropped the box on my guitar. It'll be fine. Yeah, here we've got 2 micro SD cards because I went out filming the other day, obviously with the drone and the GoPro, and I realized I didn't really have enough micro SD card storage. So picked up 2 128GB cards for that, which is good. And then here we have got an Anker 60 watt, I think 6-port USB charger. So I have like a charging station where I charge all my batteries and stuff. And obviously we've got like drones, GoPros to charge now, along with my usual camera batteries and AA's, AAA's. So I needed some more quick charge ports. So I picked up this. That's going to be going towards the charging station. So I'll probably set that up at some point. But anyway, back to the main event, which is the Nanoleaf Shapes mini triangles. So here's what the box looks like. Let's see how we can get it open. All right, here we go. So in the box, we have got the Nanoleaf thing that has like the shapes on, gives you some inspiration. Got some documentation there. So here are the mini triangles, and they're a lot smaller than you think. I think they're like a third of the size. I probably shouldn't have done that. Right, there we go. Everything is out on the table now. So here are the actual triangle panels themselves. So very small. You can see this is the front of them, and here is the back. We've got 3 connector spots, obviously 1 for each side. The connectors themselves look like this. So they're the same connectors that are used on both the new triangles and the new hexagons. So you can mix and match all of them. We're going to add them to our hexagons. And the mounting system is very similar to what is on our hexagons as well. So we've got this little spinny panel. You stick the tape to it, stick it to the wall, and then you can like pull them off. So they went with like this new mounted system that I think works really well because they're just a lot easier to remove and I guess reposition if you need to. So that's that. So you got all your connectors, you've got a Nanoleaf sticker as well in case you want to stick that on your head. So yeah, I guess we'll go and install them. Just before we install the Nanoleafs, this is my new mousepad. It's like a synthwave, retrowave style kind of thing. Although it's a little bit darker than I was hoping it would be, judging by the pictures. Like if I turn off this light I use for filming, it's kind of just a little bit meh. So I've actually ordered another mousepad that I'm going to see how it looks. I've seen it in videos and I think it will match the setup really nicely. I just thought I'd switch it up because I'd had that SteelSeries RGB one for like 2 years and it was super old. Anyway, back to the Nanoleafs. So we've got our panels, we've got our connectors and the sticky pads. I'm probably barely going to use any of these because I'll just literally use the connectors to snap them onto the panels that are already stuck onto the wall. So all we do is take one of the panels and then we grab a connector, simply just snaps in like that. we can grab another panel and connect that too. And then if you want to use these, all you'll do is just grab one of them like this. Look for the cutout on the back of the panel, so it's right there. And then when you're ready to stick it on the wall, you'll just peel that off. So very simple, and like I said before, if you do need to pull the panels off, this will actually detach like that. So you can pull them off the wall quite easily. So I think I'm just gonna join a few together and kind of make a few shapes, and then we'll have a look at some designs when we come to sticking them on the wall. All right, cool, we've got some shapes here then. So I've just gone for like 3 diamond shapes. We've got this kind of straight edge shape here with 3 triangles. And then we have an extra one as well. So yeah, let's go and stick them up. So I think what I'm actually gonna do before we add the triangles is just remove a few of these hexagons, because I think if we have everything, it will just look too much. So this was one of the panels I was talking about earlier that isn't actually stuck on. It's kind of just clipped into this one. So this one is stuck onto the wall with the adhesive, and this one is just resting on top of it. So yeah, just unclip it like this, and then that's it removed. So that's one. I think I'll also take that one out as well, and then we should be good. So yeah, you can see here, I'm not actually using any of the adhesive strips. I'm just slotting it behind the existing ones and then just snapping it in, nice and easy. Look guys, so easy, you can do it one-handed. So what's quite interesting is that the app has automatically picked up the new panels that we've just added. So all we need to do is click the on button right here. And there we go. Wow, that looks awesome. Yo guys, let me know what you think to it down below in the comments. Do you think it looks better with the mini triangles added? I definitely think it looks better. Main reason why is because the triangles kind of add a bit more definition to the edges of the hexagon, so they look less circular now. They were super easy to install as well. I mean, you guys could see I could literally do it one-handed. Obviously, if you are adding the adhesive on the back, then you'll probably need 2 hands for that. But yeah, they look to be sitting on there just fine, so I think that was a job well done. So I'll do a little pan-in shot for you guys. We've got the second setup over here. We've got the original Nanoleaf triangles. We've got the color light hexagons, and then we've got the new Nanoleaf hexagons with the mini triangles. So yeah, I'm actually loving that pan. It looks great. So there we have it guys, another upgrade. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with this new Nanoleaf system. Obviously, I knew already how it worked, but I hadn't actually experienced it and sort of seen in person how it looks. And I'm very impressed. It looks great. Yeah, do let me know what you guys think to it down below in the comments. Now, as regards pricing, obviously this is Nanoleaf, so it's not cheap. This was £90 here in the UK for a expansion pack of 10. But do bear in mind that this is an expansion pack, so these will not work on their own. You do need to either own the hexagon starter kit, the big triangle starter kit, or the mini triangle starter kit, so that you can then add the expansion pack onto it. So as always with Nanoleaf, yes, it's expensive, but it is a one-of-a-kind product. If you guys do want to check them out, by the way, I have them all linked down below in the description. And also, if you ever see anything in my setups that has caught your eye, maybe the neon banana or the laser projector, everything is always in the description, because I always get people asking, so I just list everything in there. That will do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, a like rating would be much appreciated. It helps me out. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you're new. I've got lots more content coming. We've got upgrade vlogs like this. We've got reviews of some very cool new products coming actually. In fact, I've got one coming at the end of this week that I think you guys will really like. I'm also going to be doing my first ever custom water-cooled PC soon, so I think I'll bring you guys along for the journey. If you want to keep up to date with all the behind the scenes stuff and things happening in between videos, then you can go and follow me on social media at Tesseract. But yeah, with that being said, hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll catch you all in the next one.